Welcome to Faridpur Government Girls High School online class. Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Today I will discuss about changing sentence, especially from complex to simple. So today we are going to learn about complex to simple, how complex sentences are turned into simple sentence. Complex to simple. Dear students, you look what I am writing on the board. When you visited Dhaka, you saw many things. Since he did the work, he got money. I have written two sentences of complex sentence. Now see what, how can we turn into it simple sentence. As you are a student of class 10, you know a lot about changing sentence. So you practice with me. So visiting Dhaka, you visiting Dhaka, you saw many things. Doing the work, he got money. So what I did here, at the end of the verb, visit, I will at visiting, that means ing at the end of the verb, and here when and you are omitted. When the subject of the two clauses are same, first subject of the sentences sentence are omitted, and here you see ing form of the verb, and the second part of the sentence is the same, and at the same way doing the work he got money. So when we find the sentence which are started with when, since, as, in this way we will turn the complex sentence into simple sentence. As the weather is fine, we will go to Dhaka. In this sentence, the subject, the first clause, the weather, and here subject we. In this case, we will keep the both subject of the clauses, and we will add ing form at the end of the verb. Here is is the main verb in this subject. How can we add ing for when am is be verb plus ing one equal to been. So only we will omit as, and both the subject of the sentence will be same. So the whether being fine, we will go to Dhaka. The weather being fine, we will go to Dhaka. Have you got my point, dear student? And when we find the main verb of the sentence, have has had, that means have verb plus ing. Having, have, has, had. When we find have, has, had, if we need to add ing form, then all are being turned into having. Now look at the other sentences what I am writing on the board. When it is 5 p.m. we go to the field. When it is Friday, we don't go to school. When it is 1971, we got freedom, or when it was 1971, we got freedom. We got freedom. I have written 3 sentences. The sentences which are begun with when, but this when indicates the specific time. 5 p.m. Friday, 1971. When we find these types of sentences, we will use a preposition before the time. So at 5 p.m. we go to the field. On Friday we don't go to school. In the same way, in 1971 we got freedom. Actually, have you got my point, my dear students? In this case, we have to also know the uses of preposition. If you know the uses of preposition, it will be very easy for you to change this type of sentences from complex to simple. Okay. Thank you very much, dear students. have written also two sentences. If you do the work, you will shine in life. If you don't follow the rules, you can't keep yourself fit. You cannot keep yourself fit. So the both sentences are begun with if. If the sentences indicates the positive meaning, how can we change the sentences from complex to simple? At first we will use by and ing form of the verb by doing the work. By doing the work, you will shine life. Next one, the sentences, the negative, express the negative meaning. If you don't follow the rules, you can't keep yourself fit. If the sentences is started with if and the sentence if or unless, and the sentences indicate the or express the negative meaning, we will use without instead of by. Here we use used by. In this respect, we will use without. At first, we will use without, and in the same way, we will add ing form at the end of the verb. That means following. Without following the rules, you can't keep yourself fit. Have you got my point, dear students? Now look at the sentences. We work hard. We work hard so that we can succeed in life. In this sentence, the sentences is connected with so that. The sentence, the sentence, complex sentence. So that, from so that